So I just wanted to make a quick video on the kind of the engine constants that I had to use for my fully sequential 4-cylinder Speeduino application. It took way longer than I was expecting to get these constants correct to where I wasn't getting super weird numbers in the volumetric efficiency table. I was basically having to command single digits to try and get to a 1.0 lambda, and just by the definition of volumetric efficiency, that didn't make any sense. So I'm going to show you guys what I ended up using to basically fix my fuel table. So let's do it. So as you can see, we are offline connecting to the Speeduino now. So this is the exact thing that is the exact file that's on my car currently. So if we go into these engine constants, obviously if you watch any video about the engine constants in Speeduino, these are all the same. Required fuel is going to be specific to your vehicle. Just go through it and do it exactly how you would expect. So this is what I did. Cubic centimeters as displacement, cc's per minute as the injector flow, and number of cylinders. That's all great. I did map. Map is obviously the most standard thing. The biggest thing, squirts per engine cycle, is actually 2 when you select sequential. Apparently internally the Speeduino takes the 2 squirts per cycle, reduces it to 1 when sequential is selected in the injector layout down here. So that is in the kind of like the Speeduino wiki. I don't understand why. That's just how it is, and that's all there is to it. For sequential stuff, obviously injector pairings don't make any lick of difference because you selected sequential above, and I did cycle average as the map sample method. Makes it a little bit more even and makes it a little bit better. Obviously all of these other things don't really have any impact. So that's it from the engine constants. These are what I used, but also to try and get the fueling more in line with what I was thinking it should be. So here's your VE table, right? Well, if you scroll down, and not in the VE table, but below it, there's these parameters. For some reason, this multiply VE value by map ratio, I think is bugged, and I don't really want to dive into how to fix it and everything. I did what they said was the recommended setup for new tunes. Didn't make, it was not good. So turn that to fixed. It takes that variable out of the math equation. And you also are definitely going to want to do this multiply by ratio stoic. Basically, without that, it doesn't reference your commanded AFR tables. So if you ever wanted to change your commanded AFR without changing your VE table, you couldn't. So you definitely want that as yes. Without that, if you wanted to retune to get more fuel in a specific area, you'd actually have to go into the VE table, change it there. That's not what we want to do with volumetric efficiency and speed density tuning. We want to set it up once. That way the engine and computer are all harmonious. And then if you change your commanded air fuel ratio, it'll actually change the fueling as you see fit. So yeah, that's all that there really is. And with those changes, I got my idle to be in the 40s, which is reasonable. 9 or 6, which I was in kind of in the beginning stages, not reasonable. So hopefully this is useful to someone. I know I was scratching my head for a good bit there trying to figure out, and there's not a lot of people running fully sequential Speeduinos apparently. So hopefully this helps you out. So